When you upload a photo to the cloud, it feels weightless, ethereal, magical even. But here's the twist nobody admits. Your data isn't floating in the sky. It's not magic at all. It's sitting in a massive concrete building. Right now, probably within 500 miles of where you live. Google stores your emails, your photos, your entire digital life in actual data centers. Amazon, Meta, Microsoft own sprawling warehouses full of humming servers and blinking green lights. Real property, real electricity bills, real cooling systems running around the clock. Every single day. Your cloud storage? Not a cloud at all. It's real estate. Expensive real estate. And the world is running out of space to build more. This is where your data lives. In buildings. In buildings. Billions of servers running 24/7, storing everything we make. Here's what's absolutely insane. The world created 120 zettabytes of data in 2024 alone. Stop for a second. That's 120 billion gigabytes created every single second of the year. We didn't stumble into that number by accident. But here's what keeps engineers awake. We double that every 2 years. Just 2 years. 2 years ago? 60 zettabytes annually. 2 years from now? 240 zettabytes. That's exponential growth. Not linear. Not even constant. It's accelerating rapidly. Every TikTok, every sensor, every backup, every AI model compounds the pile. And there's literally no end in sight. The data never stops growing. The world's appetite for storage seems infinite. This growth is unstoppable. So where does it all live? Google operates more than 30 data centers globally. Each one is a massive climate-controlled warehouse, multiple football fields in size. Buildings consuming 100 megawatts of electricity. Enough to power 100,000 American homes. Facebook's Prineville facility in Oregon. 100,000 square feet, one purpose, storing servers. Microsoft went further. Underwater data centers off Scotland's coast, cooled by seawater itself. Amazon operates facilities on 6 continents, each one absolutely massive. These aren't office buildings. They're entire cities made of steel and light. The scale is staggering. One Google data center uses as much water daily as a town of 50,000. Not for drinking water. For cooling billions of processors that never sleep. This isn't cloud computing. It's brutally, utterly physical. Concrete, steel, fiber optic, and constant power. That's why the world's busiest data lives underwater. Right now, 440 submarine cables run across the ocean floor. They're thinner than your thumb, but they carry 99% of all intercontinental data. Your emails travel through fiber optic strands buried 8,000 meters down. Then they emerge on another continent. A single transatlantic cable costs $300 million to install. Just one cable. Google, Facebook, Amazon, and Microsoft now build their own. They can't trust shared infrastructure for their massive scale and speed. When you upload a photo, it doesn't live in one place. It gets copied instantly to multiple data centers. Virginia, Ireland, Singapore. Those cables make that possible. No cables, no cloud storage. The internet isn't a global network. It's a physical geography you've never seen. That physical geography has a cost we rarely see. Data centers consume 4% of the world's electricity, more than Argentina uses yearly. A single Google search burns energy equivalent to running a light bulb for a month. Then comes water. Microsoft's Arizona data center alone uses 7 million gallons every single day. Facebook's Iowa facility pulls more water than the entire city of Des Moines drinks. These aren't abstract numbers. These buildings hunger for power and thirst for water. Mining rare earth minerals inside servers creates mountains of toxic waste. It destroys entire ecosystems. Cooling the infrastructure pumps greenhouse gases straight into the atmosphere. The cloud casts a shadow. Every email, every video stream, every infinite scroll carries a carbon price. This infrastructure is real, and its environmental cost is inescapable. But here's what really matters. The cloud isn't metaphorical anymore. It's 3 million servers running non-stop, consuming enough power for 60 million homes. Google alone operates data centers on 6 continents. Amazon's AWS generates $88 billion in revenue annually. Microsoft, Meta, they're in the infrastructure business now, not just software companies. This is the real economy. Every email, every photo, every dollar transferred, it all lives here. In buildings you've never seen. In countries you'd never think to check. The cloud is a $300 billion physical empire. It's reshaping how civilization stores memory, does business, thinks about the future. Not metaphor anymore, but real infrastructure. It's not floating up in the sky. It's buried underground, stretched across oceans, hidden inside mountains. Now you know where your data actually lives. Now you know what the cloud really is.